Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting video. Sephora has their holiday event sale going on, and of course with 20% off you cannot go wrong, especially if you are eyeing out a couple of those sets that have just been released. I did visit my local Sephora yesterday mainly because I was eyeing one item out for a while now and I was waiting for the sales event. I was so afraid that it was going to get sold out, so I went ahead and went in store to purchase it. I did leave the store with a couple of items, so I will be sharing with you everything that I purchased as well as some recommendations that I have for you. So if you want to see what my recommendations are from the new Sephora Holiday event, then please continue watching. Let's start with the first item. Now this item I have had my eye out on for a while and I was just waiting for the Sephora event just because it is quite pricey. It is the Dr. Dennis Gross LED mask, and I just think that this particular pack is such a good deal. This retails for $435, but it does contain a couple of extra items, and the value of this set is $555. And of course with that 20% off you get over $80 in savings, so it is a really great buy. I love LED masks. I have been using them now for about a year and it has done wonders to my skin. My other LED mask no longer works, so I really wanted to get a new one, and you can't go wrong with Dr. Dennis Gross. So let me show you what's inside this box. Of course we have the mask itself, and why I really was eyeing out this mask in particular is because it's so light. And even though I loved the mask that I currently have, it was just very hard to kind of put on just because it was so heavy. And even though that's the case, I loved what it did to my skin, so I use it daily. And I also love the fact that this you only have to apply on for 3 minutes. I also love the rose gold shade as well. It is just very high quality and you can't go wrong with an LED mask. There are clinical studies that really show that LED masks really work for your complexion. It's really good for wrinkles, it's really good for acne. This set also comes with a bag for the mask, and then it has full sizes of Dr. Dennis Gross's moisturizer. This is the oil-free radiant moisturizer, and I believe this one also has vitamin C in it, so it is a day type of moisturizer. And it has the phytoretinol blend serum as well. This is really nice, such a great set. Also with the set, it contains the extra strength daily peel. This contains 5 treatments, so overall this set is really a great value. So if you are thinking about an LED mask, this is the set to go for. I love Drunk Elephant products, and of course I did have to stock up, so I purchased one of the 3 sets that they came out with this year. Just from the Sephora website, they do have 3 different sets, and the first one is a Night to Remember night kit. This one contains the night serum that I love, and they also have the hydration mask and a serum with that particular set. The next set is the day kit, and this one contains the C Firma Fresh Day Serum, a full-size Proteini polypeptide cream, and then small mini sizes of the Proteini Power Peptide Resurface Serum and the C Tango Multivitamin Eye Cream. The one that I purchased is the one that contains the baby facial. I was running low on that particular one, so I went ahead and purchased this one. This one has, of course, a full size of the baby facial. It also has a small size of the Bee Hydra, a maracuja oil, and also the butter cleanser. This one is such a beautiful cleanser. I love using it to remove all of my makeup. Found this in store and it is exclusive to Sephora. It's the Velispa 12-day advent calendar. Now these are all candles and there are 12 candles. Let's see. Let's go ahead and open the first one. I do want to keep this for the December month, but aw, it has like little mini size candles. Okay, so they look like so. This smells really nice, and inside it kind of gives you a detail of what the scent is. This is sparkling wine, pomelo, woody oak, and rose petals. I want to also open up day number 4 with you, just because the color looks like it might be pumpkin spice. And yep, it is. It's a spice pumpkin latte, and this has fresh pumpkin pulp, coconut cream, and spiced brulee. Let's see what this one smells like. It smells beautiful. I can't wait to burn these. Next thing that I purchased is this Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Blush Set. This one comes with 3 blushes, 2 of which are a smaller size and 1 full-size blush. I haven't tried anything from Rare Beauty before, although I see so many people rave about this brand. And of course, it's a brand by Selena Gomez. So it has 3 different shades of blushes that I think look beautiful, and I did apply one of them today. The one that I applied today is this shade here. This one is in shade Encourage, and it's just such a beautiful shade. And these blushes actually blend very well. The way I use them is just using the applicator. I apply such a tiny amount, and I use my beauty blender to blend it in. It blends like a dream, so beautiful. I can't wait to try the rest of the shades. Another set that I most likely will purchase online is the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Beats Body Care Set. I love the Boom Boom cream, just the original. It smells divine, and I always love their sets every single year. This one has the full size of the Boom Boom cream. It also has a body scrub, the body gel, as well as the body spray. So I most likely will go back and purchase that. Also, the Laneige sets are so beautiful. Every year I usually purchase a set and it lasts me all year. They do have quite a few sets this year. The one in particular that I really love are the little minis with all the different scents. So I'll probably go ahead and purchase that as well. And I've been noticing the Olaplex brand. I haven't tried anything from them before. So they do have 2 sets that I noticed, one of which is the Style and Strengthen Hair Set. And this one contains 3 different products that are kind of used to style your hair, and they also have a hair repair treatment kit. This set contains 4 products, one of which is the Intensive Bond Repair Hair Treatment. It also has the Hair Perfector and a shampoo and conditioner. So I might purchase this set as well. I love Moroccan oil products. I've been using them for years. Of course, I always go back to Moroccan oil, and they do have a couple of different sets this year. One of them that I really like that I will most likely purchase is the Hydrating Shampoo and Conditioner treatment set. The set includes a hand soap that I have not tried before. It has a full-size shampoo and conditioner and a little mini of the oil. This set is also really interesting. I did not see it in store yesterday, but it has a full size of the body lotion and a full size of the hair oil, as well as the hairspray mist. So this is a really cute set as well. Next, I have to mention Dyson products, just because that 20% off is the perfect time to purchase anything from Dyson. I love the Dyson hairdryer. It is by far the best hairdryer I have ever used. And if it ever goes bad, I've had mine for a couple of years now and it is going strong, but if it ever does, I will not even hesitate to purchase another one, just because it is so good for your hair. Of course, the Dyson Airwrap is such a great product, so if you are interested in it, I would really purchase it during the sale event. I really like that blue beauty blender. They do have just the blue one on its own, and then they also had a set with 3 different beauty blenders, one with a purple, blue, and the original pink, and also with a soap as well. So I probably will purchase most likely the larger 3 beauty blender, just because I love beauty blenders. I really honestly always use it to kind of apply my foundation, so I think this is a great buy. Now let's talk a little bit about makeup. Now there are 3 products that I have been eyeing out that I will most likely purchase during the sale event. I'm kind of on edge at the moment, but I did see them in store and I think that they are beautiful. The first one is the Hourglass Unlocked palette. They came out with 3 different palettes this year with gorgeous kind of embroideries up on the front of the palette. I really like the tiger one. I think the tiger looks really beautiful. The shades are really dark, and I feel like that would be perfect for my complexion. I think they're really gorgeous, so I might go ahead and pick up the Tiger Hourglass palette. Natasha Denona also released a new My Dream collection, and I really love the palette. Of course, Natasha Denona has gorgeous eyeshadows. I love her palettes. She really creates gorgeous palettes, and I haven't gotten this palette yet, but so I might get that. And then, of course, Huda Beauty has the new Empowered palette. This is such a pretty palette. It is filled with gorgeous gold shades and it's just, wow, it's out there. So I don't know, I'm kind of on edge on that palette, but maybe I will pick up that. I do also want to add a couple of things online, and that is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Fuller Looking and Feathered Brow Kit. She didn't come out with that many brow kits this year, which is really unusual. She usually has quite a few, but not this year. And then of course I'm going to get the Wishful Yo Glow. I love this so much. I use it pretty much all the time. Anytime I have dry patches or I feel there's quite a lot of buildup on my skin, I just need that freshen up. I love using this. It's just so awesome. I love the fact that you can see the dead skin cells just being removed right off of your skin. So I will most likely go ahead and pick up a full size of that as well. Every year during the holiday savings event, I usually purchase one perfume. Last year I did purchase the Tom Ford Rose Prick fragrance. This is a very pricey fragrance, so it was perfect during the sale. This scent is so beautiful. It is unlike anything else. So I normally go ahead and purchase one fragrance every year. So this year I think I might go for the Chanel Coco Noir. I don't currently have that in my collection. And that's it for what I purchased from the Sephora Holiday Savings event, as well as what my recommendations are. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope it made it easier for you to navigate through the sales events. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.